My name's Hicks, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to create stunning images using coloured gels that are going to capture your viewer's eyes. When coloured gels are harnessed correctly, they can be used for anything from stunning headshots to gorgeous fashion images, and magazines and editorials are going to pick them up in a heartbeat. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can introduce colour into a lot more of your shots and add a lot more depth and drama into your portfolio. We'll cover the foundational knowledge, and we'll also make sure you're confident in the basics of using coloured gels. I'm also going to be using a wide range of gear to show you that any of these looks can be created on any budget. We're going to start up in the studio, where I'm going to walk you through 4 stunning coloured gelled looks that you'll be able to recreate in your own style. Our first setup is gelled flare, and that's where we're going to concentrate on the basics of positioning our white light before we bring in our coloured gels. Then we're going to move on to our beauty look, where we get up close and personal and concentrate on lighting skin with a monochromatic look. Then we'll move on to our gelled edge lighting, where we concentrate on building contrast through colour alone. We're then going to finish up in the studio and take the culmination of everything that we've learned throughout to build a triadic coloured look. After that, we're going to leave the studio and shoot a series of images on location in 2 completely different styles. The crew documents the process as I build my set from scratch, and we work through some of the challenges that can arise from shooting on location. I'm a firm believer of getting the shot right in camera, so you'll see through my retouching techniques how I'm refining what's already present in the shot. I'll be showing you my entire workflow for every image, so you'll see how I bring the most vibrant colours to life in minutes. I'm going to share with you everything that I know as we build each of these sets one light at a time. Whether you're an experienced photographer or just starting out, everybody will benefit from the knowledge that we're going to be going through here, because nothing is left to the imagination. Purchase of this tutorial, you'll gain access to our secret Facebook group, where I'll be on hand to provide feedback on your shots. I can't wait to see some of the images that you guys create.